What is up, everybody? I'm here at Bally's. Check out this room, you're going to love it.
I want to give you a little preview what it's like. So I know you're going to get dropped off in your cab and you're going to want to drop your bags right away. So here's where you're going to drop them, right by the Bally sign. There is the baggage right to your left over there. So drop your bags and then you're going to head into the lobby because we're going to take this escalator, which is going to be your lifeline to the strip on your stay here. This is going to take you over the taxi cab area that we were just at, and it's going to take you right onto the strip. Right over here, you're going to see a whole ton of shops. There's the Bellagio fountains right over there, so there's so much to do over here. 2-for-1 drinks, food, drinks, shops. There's so much to do. So after you do that, you're going to come back in to check in. And now that everything is automated with the electronic kiosks and everything, make sure you do not check in until 3 because they're going to charge you even if you're like 5 minutes before 3. It's considered an early check-in. So after you check in, feel free to explore. I had a Jubilee room, so it was cool to know that there was so much history behind that area of the casino. Jubilee is one of the first topless revues in Vegas, and it's also one of the longest running shows. If you want Starbucks or dollar beers, hit up the Stage Door Casino. It's an awesome dive. And now it's time to head over to the Jubilee rooms. Again, they're actually the first tower closest to the entrance of Bally's, so I really liked that we could just walk right in and walk over to our room. And on the way there, they have a really great breakfast and snack bar kind of thing. So this place is a great spot to hit for breakfast in the morning. And it's super safe here. You have to show your room key in order to access the elevators. So you know we love a good security staying as single women. So love that about this place. And their elevators here are super fast. We never had to wait very long for an elevator. As you saw coming up, they have specific elevators for specific floors. So just make sure you get on the right one. And what a greeting we had looking at the High Line over there. And then we made our way over to our room. As you can see, we had already been in the room, so that's why the Do Not Disturb sign was there. So don't mind the unkept beds. We had already slept here for a night. For security, they have the door stopper and they also have the deadbolt lock. It's hard to show you how big this room was because I was filming with my cousin's film. But I don't know if you can tell, that mirror is actually the length of my arm. So they have really big mirrors in the room. The bathroom is really spacious. As you see, I'll walk up to the mirror and you can kind of tell just how big the room is. The shower was huge. I mean, this room was huge. I was really surprised. They had plenty of shampoo and conditioner, soap. You know, they had plenty of towels, cups. They have a little vanity mirror here. And again, when I say plenty of towels, they gave us more than enough. It was really nice. And then they have one of those like rain head showers. And like I said, it's big, guys. This room is really big. I was really surprised. There's plenty of space if you want to put your clothes in drawers. And then this one here is actually the refrigerator. And you know we love a fridge that's empty. So their fridges are empty so you can actually use them, which we love. They had a nice TV. And then the beds were so comfortable. They give you 3 pillows in each bed. And they use those COVID blankets. So they're pretty warm, but they're not like too hot. So it's really nice. The safe is located right here under the bedside table, which I thought was interesting. They have plenty of different lighting, the phone, the clock, and then here's another lighting. They have really fun accents throughout the room. There's the desk area. They had this little spot that we kept our book bags. And guys, this couch will fit up another person. So you can honestly fit 5 people in the room if you wanted to. And then get ready for this view. You're not going to believe it. Yes, this view is from Bally's. It's almost the same from the view we had at Paris. If you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out. But you can see the Eiffel Tower light show, which is a great thing if you're sleeping in that bed closest to the window. It was so nice to just fall asleep watching that. And we were located close to the elevator, so the ice machine was really easy access, which made it great for drinks in the room while we watched the Eiffel Tower show. And speaking of Paris, you actually are connected to Paris in the back of Bally's, so go ahead and check that out. And in the meantime, check out the shops in the back because there's a shops, food court, there's all sorts of stuff. And check out these hilarious souvenirs for Pride. I was cracking up. But they have all sorts of food in the back. There's Nathan's hot dogs, Johnny Rockets, Sbarro's, all kinds of good late night food back here. And then it's also right next to the sports betting area, which they have metal basketballs, which I thought was really cool. A lot of people complain about Bally's because they say it's so far off the strip. But if you're coming from the monorail is going to drop you right inside Bally's. So if you're looking to have a trip where you explore a lot, this is a great stop because the monorail is literally right next to Bally's, to the point that you can see it from inside the pool. So here's their pool. It's super spacious. They have cornhole and all sorts of fun games to play. And here's the monorail station here, just to show you how close to the monorail you are. And as you know, the monorail goes all the way down to MGM and all the way up to Stratosphere. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're looking for more room tours in Vegas, check out my other videos and I will see you in the next video.